parts, and beer. What is going on, you guys? So, I got a bunch of stuff in for the car, and I figure, hey, unboxing videos get clicks, so why not do an unboxing video of some race car parts while I drink this beer? Well, first thing we have here, not really much of an unboxing to it, but I made these nice little flanges this week to go on the firewall where the intercooler pipes, the charge pipes, are actually going to be passing through the firewall to the intercooler system. So I made these nice little flanged tubes, bead rolled. Should work pretty well. I need a knife. No. 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 I already checked here, but here's a knife. And Sawzall blades, those would have worked. Steak knife! Alright, let's see what's in box number 1 here. Oh, I don't even need a knife for it. It's from McMaster. Hardware. Remember my video about shit you spend a lot of money on? Hardware. This is stuff for building my coil relocation brackets. A bunch of little spacers and some long bolts, some nuts. Sweet! Speedway Motors. Speedway Motors is a great place to get all kinds of fabrication stuff for building custom suspension parts. Pretty much everything I get for building custom suspension stuff I get from Speedway Motors. Paper. And in here we have our swedge tubes. Nice long swedge tubes. These are what will be my sway bar end links. Heim joints. Can never have too many heim joints. Why is there only 3? 3 heim joints, 2 swedge tubes, some hardware. Next! QA1. So this must be the other heim joints. And there are the other 3 heim joints right there. So 3 left hand, 3 right hand. I got 1 extra of each just in case I need to replace one. And those will work. Awesome. I'm gonna put these down in this box. Amazon. I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon. So, Utah Pneumatic. Line fittings. Now, these lines and fittings are actually pretty awesome. It basically replaces needing to run actual, oh, I dumped them all over. Like I was saying, these lines and fittings are actually pretty awesome. These are the T's for them. And basically what I do is I drill and tap my intake manifold. I take where the hose ends were. I can show you actually, hold on. So, I don't know if you can see that. There we go, right there. That little hole right there. That's where the factory vacuum port came out. What I did is I cut that off and drilled it and tapped it out to 1/8 inch MPT. Now, I don't have the MPT fittings for these yet, but basically what they are is they're an MPT fitting with an end like that on it, and that will thread into the intake manifold, and these just push on. That's it. They will not come back off. They're rated for somewhere around like 250 PSI, so they're super strong, and to get them off, you just push the little collet and pop it off. So super secure. You never have to worry about vacuum lines popping off when you use these. So I convert everything on my car over to these, and you know, it eliminates a failure point. So these are awesome. I will link down to where I got this stuff in the description, and highly recommend you guys get them for running vacuum lines. This big bag. Used a hose clamp on it. What is in the big bag, you ask? Well, this is my radiator hose. So this is 1.5 inch ID. It is sold as fuel filler neck hose by Filler Neck Supply Company, but actually this stuff is very well rated in pressure and temperature, so this will work really good for doing the rear mount radiator relocation without having to build hard lines all the way back. So I'm pretty stoked about this. This stuff was pretty expensive though. I think this reel cost me about 325 bucks. Yeah, it's pretty pricey, but it'll save me a lot of time, and it's not going to save me much money. Aluminum would have been way cheaper, but save me a lot of time, and it can route a lot easier. So that's why I got this stuff. Now I just got to find somewhere to put it. I'm just going to keep it in the bag. As you can see, I'm kind of running out of shelf space up here. Stripped it down, you know, we got turbochargers, some nice Garrett turbos, and then all the harness and some diamond pistons for the engine, more lines and fittings and electrical stuff, and over here we got the suspension and all that stuff. Oh, I'm quickly running out of room on those shelves. Luckily we have more room up there. I got some carbon body panels and stuff, some old LS stuff. I have some GTO stuff way up in that corner. You know, wheels, tires, all that. So running out of room. But that is going to be it for this one. I don't know if you guys want to see weekly unboxing stuff. I order little things like this every week, and sometimes I get some cool shit. Sometimes it's just hardware, whatever. I don't know. If you guys like the video, like it. If you disliked it, seriously give it a dislike, and I won't do this again. It's I hate putting unboxing in the title of anything because it's kind of like clickbait bullshit. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch you guys later.